If your Dyson cordless takes a few attempts to get started, maybe it cuts out the first 1 or 2 times and then runs perfectly fine after that, it's a really common symptom and I'm going to discuss the fault with you today. Now, I briefly mentioned this fault when it's more developed on my other video where the Dyson is cutting out totally and won't run at all, and I had an influx of people asking me, but what about when it does eventually run? So I'm going to show you on this Dyson today. So it starts up fine and then it'll cut out. We're going to try it again. Starts up fine, cuts out, and then eventually it'll just keep running and you can actually do the rest of the house with no problem at all. So what's going on? It's not the motor, that runs fine eventually. I do cover that in my other video just in the top corner now. It's not the filter, we don't need to be cleaning this. Again, I have videos on that too. I'll put all these in the description. But this one is a fault with the circuit board inside. The most common fault that occurs on the circuit board is the capacitors. Now these hold power and they give it to the motor when it needs it the most. When they're new, they fill it with energy straight away. When they're getting tired, normally after the 2-year warranty, they start to get really slow at filling up with energy until they're eventually full and it gives the motor enough power to run at a constant speed. So your first couple of attempts are just lazy capacitors that aren't giving the motor the energy. So how do we cure this problem? Well, it's not going to get better on its own, and cleaning the filter and the cyclone isn't going to help it either. We might as well get this problem sorted before it gets worse. The circuit boards aren't available to buy on their own. Dyson will supply this part of the body with the circuit board and a brand new motor in. Now, it's not the cheapest replacement part. It's like £120 to £150 depending on your model. However, if you're under the 2-year warranty, just give them a call straight away and sort it out with them. They will send you a replacement body. I do hope this video has helped you understand exactly what's happening with your Dyson. I'm sorry it wasn't better news, but now at least you know what's happening and you can go away and sort it. This next video is if you're having a cutting out problem, but it's saying that your airways are blocked when they're not.